All right, in preparation for the coming year and following years with us moving away from itsLearning, you have the option to use Google Classroom in conjunction with Google Sites. And what I've done is created a few site templates that you can use, and there'll be more to come, probably created by myself and some other teachers. But when you go to Google Sites, so sites.google.com, or click on your little apps boxes and choose Sites, you're brought to this page. You may not have all these sites here, but you'll have Create. When you click Create and then choose Browse the Gallery for more, you have some templates that are going to initially pop up. And if you scroll down, there's these 3 templates here that I've created. itsLearning clone, when you click on it, and then you click Gadget from Template Directory, it brings up this template that you can interact with and then decide, okay, this is something that I like. So you can scroll through, you can actually click the different links, all right, and it'll show you exactly how the site is working. So while you're looking here as a teacher from the high school, I took her itsLearning page and just directly moved it over into a Google site. So all this stuff is kind of referencing pre-calculus, but you would just change everything to what your stuff is. So this would be your student expectations. This is an embedded Google Doc. This is a link out to Google Classroom. So this is not going to change because this link goes to right to Google Classroom. Now you can make it go to your specific class if you would like, but Parent Portal is a link right to Portal. Curriculum map, so your course overview, unit overview is always just right here. You'll never have to adjust this particular page, but we obviously want to make sure that this is your map for your course. This is going to be the pre-calc curriculum map, and this comes right from the public map, the published public map from Atlas. But you can see if we scroll and we go back to the home page, right? We have contact information, there's an image, there's an embedded calendar up here. We have an embedded RSS feed, some links on the side. This is just some notes I was saying. This was a different table here, a way to represented assignments, but if you're using a calendar, you wouldn't want this. And then over here are like the folders, the navigation tree. So you can see how it breaks down where we have, fundamental trig identities. If I click that, it brings to this page where we had a link, some images, some videos. This is an embedded drive folder. So that's how a lot of this stuff works I think the best way to make it work is embed drive folders, Google Drive folders, and that's where all your resources would end up being. So anytime you make a change in a Google Drive folder, it gets represented here. So if this was a template you wanted to use, you would click Use This Template up here. It would make a copy for yourself, and then you could do whatever you want with it. But if you didn't like it, you can close this. Let's close these 2 tabs. We can say go back to the gallery. I'll show you these other quick ones. Multiple class template, gadget from template directory. So another just version of a template, embedded calendar. This is if you wanted a single place, and then if you click classes, you'll have all of your different classes. So this could be block 2, block 4, or block C, block D. It could be like this, algebra 1, algebra 2, or chemistry, physics, biology, whatever you wanted to do. In each of these classes, have folders. And you could take away all these folders. You could add folders. This is just a basic template. And it's got a lot of the different tabs up top too, the same kind of things. So this is just a starting point, and you can obviously change everything that you can change this whole thing back to a blank site if you wanted to, or add whatever you wanted to. So it's simply a template to get you started. Back here, we'll go back, and then finally the last one, simple site template. And here we have just a little bit different, so a little bit different navigation. You just got a simple space here to put something, and then I put here class content and information, whatever you want. So you can just put drive folders here. You can do kind of really anything you want. And that's all I did is I put a simple folder here called pre-calculus, and here are all my chapters folders with all the assignments. I can open that up, and it's going to open up the shared drive folder for all my PowerPoints or whatever I have. So many different ways you can do it, some templates to get started, and definitely let me know if you want help setting this up at any point in time.